Hey, what's up again, guys? It's your boy Mike. So today we're gonna install the Reolink Argos Eco Ultra with the solar panel. It's a 4K wire-free battery camera and charges with the solar panel there, and it's wireless. Works on the Wi-Fi. Reason I got this is because recently, maybe a couple months back, my car got totaled right in front of my house. So and I wasn't able to really catch much of the video. My ring caught only the after it got hit, and the vehicle that hit me pull out. So that's all. So I'm gonna add this camera so I get a better view of the the front of my house. All right, let's do this. So there you have it, guys. On it and plugged it. Now just to adjust the view and angle. But that's it. That's all there is. And now that's the Reolink Argos Eco Ultra with the solar panel too. Alright? Thanks for watching, guys. I got full view of everything I needed.